Hey guys, welcome back to another video on this channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install Bettercap. So this is how you install Bettercap. So just open up a terminal and type this. If you're on an M1 Mac, this video is based for the M1 Mac. So I'm going to be installing Bettercap. So this is how you do it. Make sure you have brew installed. Brew install Bettercap. Bettercap is a man-in-the-middle attack framework which you can perform ARP spoofing, credential sniffing, sniffing network traffic for any HTTP connections or HTTP requests, such as a post requests of login data fields, so such as the username and password that you may sniff on a network. This is good for penetration testing, and this is how you install it on an M1 Mac. This is developed in Ruby, I believe so. It is developed in Ruby. Sorry, I'm going to apply it with sudo. Oh, actually, no, it's installed, actually. It's installed. Yeah, there we go. So that's all you have to do is just run Bettercap like this. Bettercap, and now you can use it. Look at this. This is perfect. Now, let me just... so this is what it's like on an M1 Mac. So you can just type in Bettercap, and here we go. You can type out help, and you can see everything here. You can see that you can perform DNS spoofing, HTTP changes, ARP spoofing, whatever you want to do. And yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next.